So this is a basic workout I wanted to take you through. This is the one for people that are intimidated to walk into the gym, so that you may have an idea of a basic strategy as you walk in to see the floor and understand it and kind of make a map out of it, and let me kind of walk you through it as you see me do these workouts. So let me just stop talking your ear off here and let's get into it, okay? So I start to warm up, I start to think to myself, what is my goal? What is my ambition? What am I looking forward to getting accomplished in this gym session today? And so I'm getting ready for a great, what I call prayer and meditation, which is getting ready to be a really kick butt workout. So here we are in the gym, we're gonna walk into it, and the first thing I like to do is go warm up. So we're just gonna walk right over to that treadmill, and we're gonna jump on the treadmill, and we're gonna go hit that little green button right there, and the little green button says start, and then watch out because it's gonna give you a countdown of 3, 2, 1. If not, it's just gonna start moving. Sometimes that's a little bit shocking, so just get ready for that. So start moving that belt, and what I'd like for you to do is get it up from a 0 speed to a 3.1 speed. Now if you're a shorter individual and you don't have a long leg reach, then you're probably gonna wanna dial that back a little bit, because you're probably gonna be at a slow jog, and that's okay. If you wanna be at that level, that's fine. So just walk on that for about 3 minutes. We just want to get you started. We want to get the blood flowing. We want to get the central nervous system to understand that we are on our way. We're coming to affect this body and create some stimulation in this body, so that this body has to react and go to another level. Now what I found on my floor, because we don't have a row machine, is a stability ball that I'm going to sit on. Now that's going to engage my core as I sit on it, and I'm going to grab the tool, and when I grab that tool, I'm going to hold my arms out. Now what I want you to do is I want you to start with our first philosophy, and that's called the scapular retraction. So we're gonna grab that tool, and we're gonna hold our hands straight out, and then we're just gonna squeeze those shoulders back and down. Like you're pinching a walnut in the middle of your back, between those shoulder blades. Just squeeze your shoulders back and down. So we're gonna squeeze the shoulders back and down, and then pull all the way back. Okay, and now your shoulders should be stuck in a lockdown position. Now we're gonna release out, and we're gonna make another movement in that same plane, right? So let's just keep moving back and forth. And then we're gonna try to get 15 of these, okay? We're gonna get 15, because our workout today is gonna go from 15 to failure. Okay, so we're gonna start with our scapular retraction. Now I want you to notice at the end of this set, as I'm moving through it, that I'm going to fail, and that's our second philosophy. The first one being the scapular retraction on the upper body, because this is a basic upper body workout. The second one is failure. And on 14, you should be having challenges, and on 15, you can't do it, or your shoulder pops up out, and then it's game over. We're gonna do a circuit training workout, and we're going to do technique, which is scapular retraction, and we're gonna do failure, which is stimulating the muscle at its highest level, at your fitness foundation. Don't look at anybody across the room, or what you've looked on a magazine, or what you've seen on TV or YouTube. Only think of yourself, because when your muscle breaks technique, or you cannot do the movement, that is your failure at your time. So that's what we're gonna use for our game today as we move through the floor. Now we're gonna move into our chest. Now on the chest, we're gonna use the same technique, and that's gonna be the scapular retraction. So when you sit down on this bench, you're gonna look at the bar, it's gonna come across your chest. You see where it's across my chest right there? If it's above your chest or it's below your chest, then we've gotta raise the seat up or down to get it right there at that plane, because wherever that is what we're pushing. That's the muscle we're trying to engage. Now we're gonna grab the bar, we're gonna lock down that scapula again. That's our compression and our power, and we're gonna push. We're gonna do that 15 times. 15 times. Now find your weight, because at 15, at 13, you should have a challenge. At 14, your face should look really funny. And at 15, you should let out a little up, and then it's over, and that's 15. That is your failure. So we're gonna go back to that treadmill. Let's start it. Let's go 3.1 at a 3.0 incline, and let's walk on that treadmill for 3 minutes. So now we've done chest, we've done back, we've done treadmill. We're gonna make that round 3 times, 15 to fail. So 15 reps and fail at 15, whatever that number is. So as you walk around to this machine, you're gonna see that there's a seat that goes up and down on every one of these machines that you're going to be able to adjust up and down. And then our arms are able to extend all the way out. So we're gonna drop this all the way down, extending our arms flat and then squeezing back up. up to our nose, and then releasing all the way down and then squeezing back up. We're gonna do that 15 times, 15 to fail. The idea behind all of these movements is there's no momentum. We're always trying to make the muscle work. We're gonna move from the bicep curl over to the tricep push down. As we're walking over to the tricep push down, there's probably gonna be some sort of a machine that you're gonna have to adjust up and down. So let's retract those shoulder blades to squeeze the walnut and stand up straight. Grab your rope, pull it down into an L. So now you're in a 90-degree position with your L, and we're gonna squeeze all the way down and out. We're gonna work into that muscle and stimulate that muscle, okay? So squeeze, and we're gonna get 15 reps in that. 15 reps, we're gonna fail at 15. That's when our shoulder's gonna pop, or we're not gonna be able to do anything on that movement anymore. Okay, so now we've done biceps and triceps, 15 reps to fail. We're going back over to the treadmill. Listen, my philosophy is if you're seeing fireflies, we're way okay. If you're seeing elephants, it's no bueno. You feel me? Okay, so we're gonna go 3 minutes on that treadmill. Let's hop off. Now let's go back over to the shoulder press. We're gonna push off, and when we push off, we're coming back down to 90 degrees. Don't come all the way down. We're gonna come all the way down to 90 degrees and push back up. 90 degrees and then push back up. 90 degrees and then push back up. That's it, you got it right there. So feel good about that. Get 15 reps, go to fail. We're gonna do this 3 times in a row, and that's what we're gonna do, the shoulder press 15 times to fail, and then right back to the treadmill for 3 minutes, back to the shoulder press for 15 times to fail, probably at a different weight at this point, because now we're getting close to the end of the workout. All right, so that's the end of this basic workout. Man, I'm excited about your first time out or your time back, just to kind of get reacquainted with the basics. If you didn't get through all of it, it's not a challenge. Please just continue to move forward. It's in your heart, I know that, and you're gonna do it. You have the effort in you, you have the ability in you. The question is, are you willing to stay consistent? And that's what we're gonna do together, and I look forward to that. So congratulations today, what a great workout. God bless you, you're worth it.